Y'all, y'all won't believe what just happened to me. So I was looking in the mirror and I was just kind of like touching my hair, and this happened. My hair came out. My hair came out. My hair came out. My hair came out. This is a bald spot. This right here is the chunk of hair that literally just came out as I put my hands through my hair, yo. Oh my goodness. All right, y'all. So, yeah, my hair is falling out, it looks like. It's been a couple weeks since I last washed my hair. But like I said previously, I just was like doing this and just kind of like touching, and then like that hair came out. So this is real, like for real. I am 4 months postpartum. As you guys know, in a previous video, I shared that I had a baby last year. And yeah, it's been a while since I retwisted my hair as well. But I'm scared to like do anything because I just, yeah, I literally was like this and that chunk of hair came out. So, I mean, I guess I'm nervous because I haven't retwisted in a while. So my concern is all my new growth gonna start falling out because of the fact that it's not really growing into my locks. So yeah, let's see. I'm just gonna try to assess a little bit. So this right here is a lock. So you can kind of see where I have like all loose hair and then like where the lock actually starts. So this is all hair that's not in the lock. All right. So pretty much in the temple area is where I had that hair loss. It looks bad, y'all. That looks really bad. I'm gonna just check this area. And I'm about to wash my hair right now. As you can see, my hair is dirty. I'm definitely needing of a wash. It's my gray hair. All right, so I'm gonna check this right side. Okay. All right, so seems like I'm okay for the most part. I don't feel any other loose hairs in the front, so that's a good thing. Hey, so I am back. I just got done washing my hair. It's really late, so I didn't do like any hot oil treatment or anything like that, or you know, anything of that. So I just shampooed it twice and that was it. So I am just towel drying right now, but While I was in there, I didn't really have much shedding. If I did, it was just like loose hair. Nothing like the amount of hair that came out of the temple section of my hair, of my head, I should say. So yeah, but as you can see, that is where I had the hair loss. I kind of even feel like my edges are thinning out. I'm not trying to be like exaggerative or anything like that, but I don't know, they kind of appear to me as they are thinning out. It could just be me, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, but yeah, this is where the hair came out of. Like I said, I did not lose any hair while I washed. None of my hair like came out or anything like that. And I think that's like one of the biggest fears for me, like losing hair, like, you know, having pieces, like literally a lock fall out. Like, I think I would literally genuinely cry if that happened. Just because these are my babies, I'm attached to my hair. You know, it's been a journey for me, and, you know, just seeing them become what they are today. So I'm not even gonna lie, like I was in shock whenever that hair came out. I was just like, oh my goodness. So I'm hoping that will be it for me. Fingers crossed. I don't even know. It could just be the beginning, at which point I don't know what I'm gonna do. But now that like I've seen that happen, I'm gonna do a little bit of research and just kind of look on YouTube too to see if anyone with locks has experienced postpartum shedding and just what that looked like for them. So yeah, to be continued, I guess. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.